Good morning from sunny Lisbon and the Marriott Hotel. Well, this vlog was going to start off with me talking to you about the famous pastel de nata and where it came from, and about going to go and eat one of those little bad boys. But I was just flying my drone over there, and what I didn't realise is there's an American army base somewhere near here, and they blocked the signal to the satellite. So I flew the drone out the window, well, out the balcony, and it lost signal. So as I was trying to get it back into the balcony, it hit this wall here and then fell down there. Luckily it hit the hedge on the way down, but it's damaged the camera, so the camera's not working, which is annoying, because I'm about to go on this big adventure, right? And bringing the drone with me would give me some cool aerial shots. So I'm just on my way now. Instead of going for a pastel de nata, we're going to go and see if we can get the drone fixed. So this is how this vlog is going to start. Hopefully I can get it fixed. I found a place not far from here, so let's go see what they can do. Hopefully, if it's the camera, if it's replaceable, hopefully I can get it replaced, because I leave tomorrow, so I've literally got no time to wait around for like a week or whatever to get it fixed or picked up or whatever. So fingers crossed we can get this fixed. Anyway, let's go see what we can do. Found it. Let's see if they can fix the drone. Hello, bon dia. I crashed my drone.
Okay.
Can you try and fix it for me?
Let me see. Is error in the gimbal?
Yeah, it's the gimbal, right? Normally when you turn it on, it does the check.
Yeah.
It didn't do the check.
But yeah, the correct form when I do that, the camera gimbal needs to be like stable.
Okay.
It's unstable here. I think this engine is like, yeah, I saw so many cables. Okay. And the sensor here is with problems too, with our sensors. So the thing is, we need to send to the DJI, right, because I don't have the pieces to repair here.
Okay. How long will that take?
We say 3-4 weeks, but can come early.
I leave tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right, so the problem is, that's my drone there. They have to send it off to the Netherlands to get it fixed, and then it comes back, but it takes like 2 or 3 weeks. You have to pay the invoice, and then if you accept the invoice, you pay it. So like, I don't have to pay fully now. But basically what he was saying is, normally they just give you a brand new drone. So what I'm thinking is to just buy that one now and then send the broken one off, and then hopefully I get a new drone, and then I can just sell one when I get to Scotland. So that's the plan so far. This guy is amazing though. If you're ever in Portugal, this HP drones, definitely get down here. So that is the shop. If you want to go and get your drone fixed in Portugal, go there. They are amazing. Obviously, I don't have the time to hang around. I'm leaving tomorrow morning, so they're going to send it off. I don't know if I already said this, but anyway, they're going to send it off. They're going to send it to me in Scotland. What he said was that normally DJI will just send you a new drone because they'll sell the parts off or whatever, and they just give you another drone. So hopefully I'll have 2 drones now, and then I can just sell that one, which means I basically won't lose any money. maybe like 50 quid, something like 50 euros. But yeah, so on with the day, going for coffee, catch you in a bit. I'm just drinking a little iced Americano, and another tip for the day for drone flyers out there is the problem I had with the drone is it didn't tell me that I wasn't allowed to fly the drone on the DJI app. Normally it comes up with like red, you know, like a red area to say you can't fly there. So the guy in the drone shop, he actually told me about this app, this Voa Na Boa, and on that app it actually has all of the red circles and areas you cannot fly in Portugal. I'm not sure if it's the whole of Europe, but definitely for Portugal. So that means now I can go to anywhere where it's not red, and basically I can fly the drone there. So at least I know now. And if you're travelling to Portugal, then now you know as well. You can get that app. Also, if you're in the area, I'll put the address down below. This drive, the coffee is really good, and they've got ice cream in there as well if you wanted a tasty little snack. So yeah, there you go.